In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Microsoft PowerPoint in just a few easy steps. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and you'll understand what these settings actually do so you can work more confidently in any language. Start by making sure PowerPoint is open on your computer. With the app running, head to the top left and click the File tab. This opens the Backstage view where you can manage your PowerPoint settings. Look toward the bottom of the menu and select Options. A new window called PowerPoint Options will appear. On the left-hand side of that window, click Language. Here, you'll see the section called Office Authoring Languages and Proofing. This is where you control the language that PowerPoint uses for tools like spelling, grammar, thesaurus, hyphenation, and autocorrect. If the language you want is already listed, you can select it and choose to make it your default authoring language. Setting it as default tells PowerPoint to use that language for new content you create. If you don't see your preferred language, click the Add a Language button. A list will appear with many options. Scroll through or use the search box to find the language you want, select it, and then click Add. Once it appears in your list, you can highlight it and set it as the default authoring language if that's your goal. Keep in mind, default simply means it becomes the primary language PowerPoint uses for proofing across new presentations. A quick note for clarity, these steps adjust the authoring and proofing language inside PowerPoint. That's different from the overall display language of your computer or the PowerPoint interface. Your menu labels and buttons may remain in your current display language, while your spell check and proofing tools follow the authoring language you just set. That's normal and often ideal for multilingual users. After you've made your selections, close the settings window. To apply the changes fully, restart PowerPoint, save any open work, exit the application completely, and then open it again. When PowerPoint restarts, your new authoring language will be active and your proofing tools should follow your selection. If you're working in an organization and some options appear grayed out, that's usually due to administrative controls. In that case, check with your IT team. Otherwise, you're all set. That's how you can easily change the language in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads.